Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and in this video I want to share with you one tool that you absolutely need, is a must for lead generation. Now obviously, you don't have to get it, but it's highly recommended and I'll show you exactly why. So this tool is literally like the next level of marketing, okay? This is basically using the power of mobile marketing. Now, I'm sure you've probably heard of email marketing. That can be extremely profitable. They say the money is in the list. But basically, this is the same thing. So you're basically building a list of prospects, okay? And this list of prospects are going to basically um, you'll be able to text them. You'll actually be able to text your prospects, okay? I'm going to show you the chat. Okay, so there's the Ava Plus and then there's the Basic. Now, Ava Basic is, I think it's more promoting the software itself. Ava Plus you can use for your own business, for your own stuff, your own purposes. I'm going to be upgrading to Ava Plus, but later on, not right now. Because I'm only 2 weeks in this program and I wanted to test it out. And I think it's a really powerful tool. Okay. So as you can see here, these are real people that have texted their interest in this opportunity. Okay, and we're having real conversations here, guys. One thing also, which is really really awesome about this tool, is you don't even have to like manually respond to these people because you have an automated virtual assistant, Ava. Okay, that's what it stands for, automated virtual assistant, and she basically like texts them back. Okay, so I'll just give you an example of this conversation. So I told them to this is where one of the leads that I got my this is where I got my lead from, lead gen, and I told whoever I sent the email out to text me lead gen, so I actually know it's coming from that place. Okay, so let's say if your prospects are coming from Facebook, I'll just tell them text Facebook to this number, so I know they're coming from Facebook. Okay, that's basically what I do. So you can see that a bunch of people have texted lead gen, lead gen, lead gen. Now, if you want to know more information about lead gen and how that works, that's another lead generation tool. It basically gives you 100 leads a day, and even not 100 to 200 leads every single day that you can promote to in the home based business opportunity. Okay, so if you want more information on that, then you can click the link in the description below this video for my lead gen secrets. But anyway, getting back to the video, so basically this is the conversation that we had. So they text lead gen, then it says, "Hi, this is Ava with text bot. Please reply." Oh, sorry, it keeps going down. "Please reply yes to confirm." For some reason, it's not sticking up there, but okay, it doesn't stick. So please, yes to confirm. Okay, I'm not going to go back to the messages because it seems like it just doesn't allow me to go back and read them. But basically, in a nutshell, she responds and speaks like a real human. Like if you can see the messages here, they're really like good quality messages, and they look like and actually the prospects respond to the messages, like, yes, I got it and I will be back later tonight to check it out, blah blah blah. Now people don't always buy immediately, and that's fine, but as long as they're your lead, they might come back to it. A lot of people do come back later on, maybe they've got things going on in their life, maybe they're busy. But then if they're a lead, that's the whole point in building a list, is because you can market to that list over and over again. And that's exactly what we can be doing with my with TextBot. Okay. So if you haven't got this tool yet, sign up and get the tool. It's worth it. It's going to help you massively for your business. And you don't have to, I mean, you get the Ava Basic, and if you can, you get the Ava Basic, the Ava Plus, and that can really help you. This is a really amazing lead generation tool that you can use to promote your current online business. Okay, so let's say for example you're building a network marketing company, yeah, and you put an ad out saying text this number for more information on my company, yeah, text, XYZ company, whatever. So when they text that to you, you're going to know they're interested in that company, like they're interested in more information. Now, what you can actually do is you can set up an automated message that Ava sends out to them straight after. First, they have to say yes to receive the messages and everything, and then you can set up Ava where she's giving them the link to your opportunity to go and watch the video. Okay, how powerful is that? So the first thing they do, they call your number or they text your number, they become a lead instantly. Then they have to say yes to confirm to continue to get messages from you. And then if they say yes, which a lot of them do, like you'll see, yeah, because they obviously want more information, so they say yes, right? And then after that, once they say yes, then Ava will start texting them, and you can get Ava to text them whatever you want. So it could be the link to your network marketing company or to your affiliate offer, whatever it is that you're promoting. So basically, in a nutshell, TextBot isn't just to promote itself. It's not just to promote. You can use it to promote. You can use TextBot to promote TextBot, or you can use TextBot to just promote your primary business. Okay, so this is a really powerful marketing tool, guys. This is a very powerful lead generation tool that I highly recommend, and I think it's a very good tool. I've been using it, I've been using it, and I've been getting great results. I mean, it's never been easier to get a lead like this. All people do is call your number and they become a lead. Like it's like like if you advertise your number, you're going to get massive amounts of calls. And like it's possible to get a lot of calls to your phone. People like to phone up, okay, if they've got a number. And basically what she does is she takes the call, and it's a completely automated call, and they become a lead, and then you can start prospecting to them. So this is a really great tool that I highly recommend. If you want to know more information about it, if you want to get access to it, click the link in the description below. And also, like I said, if you want to know how to get 100 leads every single day and to be emailing them every single day, like you basically you have the ability to like build up this list where you get 100 leads every single day. It's cold traffic. However, once you build that up and you can like email them, every day, and email them your offer or whatever, that will also help you with your business, because again, that's another lead generation tool. But you know I've it's been a couple of weeks that I've been with that, my lead gen, and as you can see here, I'm getting results. I haven't made any sales yet with this, but quite a few people have actually signed up from my lead gen, so I can see that it's working. And yeah, if you want to get access to that and check it out, then just click the link below this video. Make sure to subscribe if you found this video helpful, like and comment, and I will see you guys in more videos. Take care.